I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coconut kefir water. First, you'll need about 4 cups of fresh, young coconut water and 3 tablespoons of active water kefir grains. It's crucial to select pure coconut water, free from any added sugars or preservatives, for the best fermentation results. Also, make sure your fermentation jar is thoroughly clean and made of glass, as metal can react with the kefir. Now, gently combine your 4 cups of coconut water with the 3 tablespoons of water kefir grains in your clean glass jar. Do not seal the jar tightly. Instead, cover it with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. Allow this mixture to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit, for 24 to 48 hours. After 24 to 48 hours, your first fermentation is complete. Strain the kefir grains from the liquid using a fine mesh, non-metal strainer. You can then bottle the plain coconut kefir water, or for extra flavor and fizz, add fruit juice or fruit pieces for a second fermentation of another 12 to 24 hours. Store your finished coconut kefir water in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Enjoy your homemade coconut kefir water. It's a fantastic, dairy-free beverage packed with beneficial probiotics that support gut health and digestion. Plus, it's naturally rich in electrolytes, making it a wonderfully refreshing drink. For more great deals and to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products. It's a game changer for keeping your space spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.